Hello and welcome to another edition of Google Tools with Mrs. Parada. In this video, we are going to learn about inserting text boxes and shapes. And these tools can be used across the Google products. I do want to note that here on the right-hand bottom corner is an embedded video of my computer screen, which happens to be actually my daughter's LCPS issued Chromebook. So if you're using your Chromebook, this is what your keyboard will look like. So here I am on a Google slide and I want to insert a text box or a shape. First way I can do that is press insert. You'll see text box and you'll see shape. But if I want to be even quicker, I will see here on this toolbar a text box button and a shape button. So I'm going to use this to insert my text box. I'm going to click on the text box. I'm going to go into my slide. I'm going to press with my thumb and then create the size of the text box I want. Now I can center my font here by using center. I can also align it so it's in the center of my text box. So I can align it horizontally and align it vertically. Now because this is the what's your number activity, I'm going to just type in the number 90. And now I have a text box with my first number, 90. Now you're going to see once you draw a text box that these other tools will start becoming visible. For instance, I can have a fill color. I always choose yellow. I can also have a border around my text box. Maybe I'll choose this nice blue. So you can see that, but I can almost not even see that text box. So I'm going to make the border weight 16. That looks nice. And then I could also even have it be a nice dash text box. So there's lots you can do with the text box in addition to just creating one. Finally, I can use this little stem and I can make my text box go in a different angle. So these are ways you can make your slide individualized. Now I'm going to insert shapes. Lots of different shapes to choose from just basic shapes, as Google calls them. Then it has arrows, call-outs, or equation shapes. I'm going to go with a call-out just for fun here. I'm going to use that. And I'm going to, again, press my thumb, keep it pressed on the trackpad, and make my call-out. Because I've just created a new shape, I can fill it. This time I'll fill with a nice turquoise. I'll make my border maybe a darker blue and get that a little bit more visible. And this time I'm going to do dots. So there we go. Now the nice thing about shapes as well, if I'm in the shape and I double click on it, it will actually let me add text to a shape. So whereas a textbook is always going to come out as a rectangle, you can use different shapes as text boxes. So it gives you a lot more. I can make that also in the center, just like I could with the text box. And I'm going to align it in the middle, but maybe I want to align this one on the top because it's a call out. So I'm going to say, this is a text box 2. Well, I can't. So inserting shapes, use it as a text box if you want. I'll insert one more shape just to make sure. I'll go for, oh no, I think I'm going to go for this nice cylinder. There we go, cylinder. And I'll make it a different color, green. And this isn't going to have a border. I am going to make it a text box. I'm going to center it. And hello. So there you go with inserting shapes, inserting text boxes. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you for listening and see you next time.